Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to a new topic for today, that is ribcage and vertebral column. A wonderful day with a wonderful topic. So let's get started. So today's topic is ribcage. Question comes in our mind: what is a ribcage? What is its function? How do they look like? Answer to your third question is given in the picture. It is a cage-like structure. Yes. And for the rest of the question, let's move on to the video. If you can see, a picture came up in front of you which is indicating a rib cage. So where is it found? Yes, ribs are located in our chest. They make a cage-like structure called the rib cage. Now we'll understand in more detailed manner. Okay. Yes, another picture came up in front of you. Now, how many pairs of curved bones make up the rib cage? Yes, 12 pair of curved bones make up the rib cage that protect the heart and the lungs. If you can see, I've highlighted also with red color. They are strong and flexible. They may move outwards when breathed in to let the chest expand. There are 10 pairs of ribs are joined to the spine at the back and breastbone, that is sternum, in the front. If you can see, I've marked also right now. Now, the last two pairs are joined only to the spine and are called as floating ribs. Now, you can see I've indicated also. So, 10 pairs are joined to the breastbone and spine, and the last two are floating ribs. Why? Because they are only joined to the spine. We'll talk about the vertebral column. It is also called the spine or the backbone. If you can see the arrow indicated. The spine has 33 bones which are ring-like with wings on the side and the back. Now, there are small discs made up of cartilage. If you can see, it is indicated right now between each vertebrae. They act like shock absorbers and also stop the bones from rubbing against each other. Now, if you can see, another picture came up in front of you. Now, there is a hole through each vertebrae where the spinal cord runs through. If you can see, the spinal cord runs through each vertebrae. Now, it protects our spinal cord. Yes, it protects our spinal cord. But what is a spinal cord? A spinal cord is like a rope of nerve cells which are responsible for sending messages from the brain and receiving it from other body parts of the body. The brain and spinal cord together control all the functions of the body. Bone help us to bend forward, backward, to right and left. It provides elasticity to the body. Now, elasticity means, have you seen a rubber band? If you stretch it, it gets stretched, right? So similarly, our body also, if we want to bend in front or at the back or to the right, to the left, who help us do that? Backbone. And who together control all the functions of the body? That is brain and spinal cord. Now, spinal cord is like a rope of nerves. What it is responsible for? It is responsible for sending messages from the brain and receiving it from the other body parts. Hope you have understood the topic really well. For more educational videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel. DM your concerned topic on our Instagram page. Our Instagram handle is @ss.edu_. Thank you so much for watching our video and giving your precious time.